Hello everyone, welcome creators and dreamers. Today we are exploring something beautifully unique, Spring Arts for Xmas, a celebration of creativity, mindfulness, the power of handmade joy. This product you can make with your children and let them do what they want to make using simple materials like wood, cardboard, and spring inspired elements. We will craft something meaningful and even learn how to enjoy and calming tea moment while creating. This isn't just about decoration, it's about healthiness, inner peace, and creative both that can even support your small business. The idea of spring arts Xmas. When we think of Xmas, we often imagine snow, pine trees, and red ribbons. But spring brings renewal, fresh colors, flowers, and natural balance. Combining spring arts with Xmas decor give your space a refreshing touch, a mix of green renewal and cozy festivity. With just a few recycled materials, wooden boards, old cardboard, sheets, or even leftover craft paper, you can design wall art table setups or small gift pieces that carries both Xmas warmth and spring freshness. This creative combination not only beautifies your home, it opens your mind to sustainability and artistic mindfulness. Start with your start with what you already have. Start with what you already have. A wooden board. A wooden board may be from an old shelf or a piece of cardboard from a used box. Sketch a soft spring patterns, leaves, petals, or tiny floral vines. You can paint with pastel shades, mint green, soft yellow, or sky blue, to add art or jute thread, creating loop and curves like spring. Attach small buttons, bread, or even pressed flowers for a handmade charm. As you craft, breathe slowly, feel the rhythm of creations. It's not just art, it's mindfulness in motion. Making tea with spring arts vibes? Take a small break. It's time to make beautiful things. Crafting with natural and recycled materials helps reduce stress and boost creativity each movement. Cutting, gluing, painting brings you back to the present moment. Mindful crafting is the meditation. It improves mental health, builds emotion, balance, and fills your surrounding with positivity. When you share or sell your handmade creations, you are not just offering decor, you are spreading peace, beauty, and care. This is the path where healthiness meets mindfulness, and mindfulness meets growth and business success. Every piece of spring are made with wood or cardboard. Tell a story of renewal, of sustainability, and of love for mature. You can turn these small crafts into gifts, online shop items, or festive decorations that people cherish. In each brush stroke and tea sip, you are nurturing something bigger. Your creativity, your calmness, and your growth journey. So, this Xmas, let your spring arts bloom, let your home glow with handmade beauty, your heart stay mindful, and your creativity bring both peace and prosperity. Hope you're enjoying these ideas and designs. Thank you for joining us this creative journey and mindfulness session. Stay inspired, stay kind, and keep crafting your way to joyful, balanced life. This type of strings and stretchable strings, if you are using, so it would be really helpful and mindful for you. And we are doing more and more things like that. So if you're enjoying these designs and ideas, don't forget to follow our channel. As you look at your finished spring art piece, maybe a wooden board, print it, paint it with soft floral tones or cardboard crafts, decorate it with jute and color, take a quiet moment or appreciate it. This isn't just decor, it's a reflection of your mindful energy. Each stroke, each glue petal carries your intention and inner calm. Let the fragrance of your tea remind you that life is art, slow, aromatic, and deeply peacefully when we give it time. When you create from the heart, you bring healing not only to yourself, your surrounding, but to yourself. Now imagine your art displayed on your Xmas table by a window with fairy lights or shared as a gift for someone special. It radiates positivity and tells the story of recycled love, nature's rhythm, and mindful creation. And beyond beauty, there's growth. Each small handmade item is a seed of possibility, a step toward creative business expansions. You can turn these moments of art and peace into meaningful opportunity by sharing your ideas, opening a small craft store, or teaching others how to find mindful through creations. Success doesn't just grow from effort, it blossoms from authentic passion and calm confidence. That's what spring arts for Xmax truly teaches to stay rooted like wood, flexible like cardboard, and alive like the season of spring itself. So, as you end today's creative journey, smile. You have made something beautiful. You have connected your hands, heart, and mind. And you have found that the greatest art of all is mindful living. Keep your tea warm and your ideas blooming and your creativity glowing. Until next time, stay inspired, stay peaceful, and keep crafting joyfully. Happy holiday. Happy mindful creative season ahead. So don't forget to follow our channel. We will try to making something new and something different for our viewers and subscribers. It would be really nice of you to be a part of this journey. I'm, I'm very happy to hear you and read your comment about this. And your comment is superb. And you who is commenting on my channel, it would be really nice of you and your Spain and Argentina, Spanian women and whoever who are commenting. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and beautiful day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Stay safe, stay healthy. Keep crafting, doing like